This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. We did with contra vouchers in the last class, correct? Anyone has any doubt on that? Everybody is clear with contra voucher, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you all do the assignments as well?
Yes, ma'am.
Um, for now, how do you show me your assignments? Okay. Um, what you can do is I will send a mail ID in the group today. So I want you to take a screenshot of your daybook and attach in that mail. Is that all clear? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Both yesterday's and today's assignment by Monday before the class. So contra voucher and payment voucher, is it clear with everyone? Payment voucher, also the problems is, I mean, even the problems you were able to do them. Okay. So we can go with the next voucher. Nobody has any doubt? Anybody has any doubt in payment voucher? No. So then we'll carry on with the receipt voucher. So it is the opposite of payment voucher. So all your payables is recorded in your payment voucher. In receipt voucher, what happens is all your receivables, whatever you receive to the business, is being recorded in the receipt voucher. Okay. As I told you, all the receivables in the form of cash or bank will be recorded in this voucher. In this particular, credit comes first and debit. The syntax of receipt voucher is first you'll have credit and debit. So if you see the similar in the payment voucher, you can see here also first we give all the expenses only. So here also we give all our incomes. So the pattern is same, but the debit and credit is different. So there first debit voucher, first you'll do the debit and then you do the credit. But here in case of receipt voucher, what you do is you first give with credit and then with debit all your receivables. So in your credit, what is that you entry in the receipt voucher is your income, sales of fixed assets, sales of shares. So whatever there was purchase, here it is all about your sales. So your debit. So obviously receipt means what you are receiving. So receiving means either in the form of cash or in the bank, I am receiving. That is the business is receiving. So always your debit will be cash or bank. In payment voucher, debit was all your other expenses and credit was always cash and bank. So it is the opposite of payment voucher. So the main transaction recorded in this vouchers are income received, rent received, etc., etc. All anything which is received is being recorded here. Sales of fixed assets, furnitures, land and building, such. So sale of shares. So there and all you have purchase, here you have sale. Just see, take a screenshot of this um, problems. You go to voucher. F6 is for reciprocal. F4 contra. F5 payment. F6. So what is the first question? Says received rent and commission rupees 10,000 equally for, we'll take one cost center. Ignore this. So anyone, any idea about how the entry will be for this syntax? Anyone who can answer me this?
Ma'am, rent and commission will be credited, cash will be debited.
Yes. So rent 10,000, one particular category. Again do it CR commission. What you can do is you can also change here as indirect income. Okay, we had indirect expense. What you do is commission account, commission received account you create. Same here also for rent, create as rent received account under indirect income. Alt C to create. Alt C. Is everybody following? How is that I can alter a ledger? What is the shortcut key to alter a ledger?
Alt plus C.
Yeah. Alt plus C. Then what is the shortcut key to create? Romana,
Ma'am, control plus enter to alter.
is she right? Nobody has written in your books. I've told you shortcut keys are so important in Tally. To it makes your, I mean, it helps you in working with Tally software, but you do not take a note.
Ma'am, control plus enter is right.
Mm. Control plus enter is to edit. Alt C is to create. Is this clear? Try everyone. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Do it fast. Let me know if you have stuck anywhere. Is that everybody is able to change with credit, debit for once or twice for multiple entries? And if you have to and buy configurations, open configurations and change to and buy, do this entry fast. Done. Now enter, accept it, the second entry. What does the second entry say? Received cash and commission, sold furniture for rupees 8,000, received 2,000 by cash and remaining by check. Anyone? The second entry.
Ma'am, furniture is credited and cash and bank will be debited.
Yes. So here it is check. So automatically check means it is bank. You should mention any one bank. Furniture. What is the amount? 8,000. Cash 2,000. So when it does not tally, automatically you will get the multiple entry. Sorry. So SBI. Do it, everyone. Okay, 1 second. I will change the date here. I'll change here F2. I'll change to April because I want you to show the difference in the day book. And accept it. Next one. Rupees 10,000 introduced to Mr. Prakash by Mr. Prakash to the business. So you create Mr. Prakash under capital account and give 1,000 rupees. Cash. Sorry, 10,000. Last one. Received interest rupees 2,000 on 2nd of every month. Every month. Anyone? Received interest rupees 2,000 on 2nd of every month. Yes, Prerna? So you have two options. Either you will do 2,000 into 12 and put that in 1 month, or as it is every month, that means every month 1st Jan to 1st December, that is 2nd Jan to 2nd December, you need to create 12 entries. You will create 12 entries on the 2nd of every month. Is this clear? Change the date, create 2,000. Change the date, create 2,000. Is this part clear? Contra voucher, payment voucher, receipt voucher. You want me to do two more problems in receipt voucher, or you have understood?
Ma'am, can you repeat the third one, ma'am, Mr. Prakash?
That's capital account. Under capital account, how we created XYZ capital account. Create Mr. Prakash capital account and to cash.
Thank you, ma'am.
You want me to do and show?
No, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Now I will dictate a few set of questions which you must clarify, specify them whether they are payment voucher, receipt voucher, or journal voucher. First, take down all the questions as I dictate. Later, we will solve that, all the scenarios in them. You want time to do receipt voucher? I'll give you 2 minutes and I'll start with the first scenario.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. I have sent you the email address. Please check if you have not received the message on WhatsApp. So on this email address, you must send me all your assignments by Monday morning. That is before the class. Yeah. Take down the heading as Mr. Kunal's consulting services. First question. Mr. Kunal started Universal Business Services by bringing in, please tell me if I am fast dictating. Mr. Kunal started Universal Business Services by bringing in cash of rupees 3 lakhs. Second question. Mr. Kunal opened a bank account with HDFC Bank with an opening balance of 1 lakh. Mr. Kunal paid, I'll not repeat Mr. Kunal again, you can just write down. Paid rupees
Yes,
2,500. Yeah, tell me.
I'm a little slow, ma'am.
Okay. You got the second question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. I will not repeat Mr. Kunal, we'll just take the problems. The third one, paid rupees 2,500. Paid rupees 2,500 in cash to purchase a computer. Fourth question, hired an office space hired a office space of rupees 2,500. In bracket write down, record the rent paid For the month, record the rent paid for the month April, comma, May and June. Close the bracket. Issued check and purchased the following: furnitures 20,000, cell phone 6,000, air conditioner 20,000. I'll repeat the products: furnitures 20,000, cell phone 6,000, air conditioner 20,000. Purchased stationery worth 6,250. Next. Received rupees 25,000. Received rupees 25,000 from Silver Services by check. Received rupees 15,000. Next one. Received rupees 15,000 from Omega Infotech. How many questions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. Correct? All have got 8 questions. I'll give 2 more.
Yes, ma'am.
2 more. Let's do. Withdrawn rupees 30,000 from HDFC Bank. Salary paid rupees 20,000. Look at the questions once. All 10 questions. Analyze which voucher to be given for which question. Okay. So it all journal voucher, payment voucher, and receipt voucher is involved in this one complete scenario. Yes. So the first question says Kunal started a business. Kunal started a business, Universal Business Services, by bringing 3 lakhs of cash. Yes. What do you do? For this, create a new company. How do you create a company? Name the company as Universal Business. Yeah, Universal Business Services. Everybody is following. Keep both financial year and books beginning same. So for the first question, what we do is we go to create capital account. In the capital account, opening balance, the ledger under that capital account, we will be giving the opening balance as 3 lakhs rupees. It's cash, so you don't have to open the capital account. You can just go to cash. Cash ledger is already there. Give the opening balance as 3 lakhs. Cash. One option. Other option, see, as you can create one Mr. Kunal's thing, ledger, name of Mr. Kunal, and you can show that he has got money in the form of capital, and you can put that in the cash. This is also the other way where you can do it. Received, that is in the receipt voucher. Yes, second one. Opened a bank account with HDFC Bank opening. So same way you create a bank ledger. Go to voucher. Alt plus C to create HDFC 1 lakh. Is this clear, everyone? In case you take them, if you have termed them, see, it's all your analysis. If you have termed them as different apart from 3 lakhs, then what you can do is you yourself can in the opening balance you can put 1 lakh rupees, but I took it as I have already got cash. Whatever transaction we'll be doing within this. Enter. Next. Paid rupees 2,500. Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, what did you say about the first entry?
First entry, two options. Either you create Mr. Kunal's capital account and give a receivables that Mr. Kunal has paid 3 lakhs as capital, or in the cash account go and put the opening balance. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Next one. What was the question? Paid 2,500 in cash to purchase a computer. Which voucher I should do? Contra voucher?
Payment voucher.
Okay. What will be the entry? Syntax for payment voucher is first is debit, then is credit. So what will be the entry? It is
Purchase
uh,
account debit, cash account credit.
uh, purchase. See, it is specified what are you purchasing. So what we will do is we will take the name of the asset. So it will be computers. To cash. Is this clear? Am I fast? Are you getting what we are doing? Everyone? Okay. Are you getting confused? Are you understanding how are you able to differentiate the vouchers? The questions I gave you so that you can know which if the questions are together so that you can differentiate the vouchers to know which question, which type of question, that is the transaction that we put in which what type of voucher. So next one, Mr. Kunal has hired an office space for 2,500 per month by paying rent paid for April, May and June. Correct? So what is the entry? Are you still doing? Should I give you 2 minutes to do to make the difference? No
Yes, ma'am.
hurries. You can. Yeah, I'll give you. Just go through the questions as well as the practicals.
Ma'am,
Tell me.
excuse me, ma'am.
Tell me.
Ma'am, to go back to the previous screen, we press escape, no, ma'am.
Yeah.
So to get back to the like the next screen where we were like redo and undo, what will be the shortcut key,
No,
ma'am?
only after you accept it will take you to the next screen. Or else you will have to press like what payment receipt, those things.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yeah, tell me.
ma'am, after this, can you just show how to do fourth question in receipt voucher?
This one received interest rupees
Yes,
2000.
ma'am.
Okay. Once you want me to show it now, I'll show it anyhow. They are practicing with
Fine,
that.
ma'am. Yeah, okay, ma'am.
So it says you are supposed to receive interest of rupees 2000 every month. What you do is first you do F2, change the date. What is the date here? 2nd of every month. Change the date, 1st April, then till March you will do. Alt C. What does interest account come under? 2000. Oh, 1 second. I am doing in this company. This is Kunal's company, no? Same way, you will create one more F2 to May. Same way. Interest account 2000 cash being for the month of May. Is that clear? Any
Yes, ma'am.
doubts you have? Yeah.
Ma'am, we have to create only for April and May.
No, no, it is all months, no? Now
So 12.
what yeah, 12 entries. You will do 12 entries.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, we can move.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Aisha, is that something you want to talk? Any doubt? Aisha Amreen. Okay, now I'll go to the Kunal company.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, can you repeat the first entry in Kunal's question?
You want me to do it again, or you want me to show it? I mean, the one which is already created.
Ma'am, you can just show it.
Yeah, see, don't get confused. I told you can have two. Either create a voucher or just do the opening balance. What I have done here is I have just opened uh, create under that ledgers, sorry, alter under that ledger cash. I have given 3 lakhs opening balance. Either this you will do, or you create a ledger of Mr. Kunal's under capital account and show as if you have received in the receipt voucher.
Yes, ma'am.
And
Thank you.
okay, we were done with the third question. Yes. Next, fourth one. Anyone who can tell me the entry which voucher? So it says a rent you have hired. That means you are supposed to pay. Pay is under payment voucher. All see rent paid. Okay. What is the amount? 2,500. See, I have told to create for April, May, and June. Correct? So first change the date to April. Whatever we did till now, the ledgers, the cost center, cost category, everything you can create it here only. Cash. Huh? Nothing is there, so you can take it as cash. Rent paid for the month April. Is this clear? Now same voucher you do again. Rent paid 2,000. F2 first 1,500. Same. Rent paid 2,500. Oh, I paid only 2,000 last 2 months. Okay. The lender has increased 500 after 2 months. Is this clear? Do this, everyone. Yes? Everybody done with the third question? You want me to give you time to do? Okay. Next one. What is that? We should check and purchase the following goods through check. Purchase means what is the entry? What voucher do you put this?
Payment
Natalie?
voucher, ma'am.
Payment.
Yes. That is, you're supposed to create all of that. Voucher. Change this to debit. Alt C. Cell phone. Again DR. Is air conditioner. Credit. So as it is by check, so I have only one bank. 6,000 rupees. Do it, everyone. Okay. Is everybody done? We can move to the next question. Don't hurry. If you don't understand, have any doubt, please ask me. If you're getting confused between the vouchers. Rumana, how are you managing? Were you able to download? Hema? Next. Can anyone tell me what is the next question? Purchased.
I'm stationery.
Can you please tell me the complete question?
Ma'am, purchase stationery worth rupees 6,250.
Okay. Global house, no? That only, no? Okay, sorry, no. Okay.
Yeah.
Stationery product worth rupees 6,250. In which voucher it goes? Purchased means payment. Nothing is mentioned, so cash. Do it. Next. Received rupees 25,000 from Silver Services. Received as receipt. He comes under my sundry creditor or sundry debtor. Who is he?
Data.
Yeah. 5,000. If you get this bill wise, I will be explaining you all this 4 bills once we have done. So as of now, take on account only. I'll explain you what are those after the problem. Cash. Next one. Received 15,000 from Omega Infotech. received. No? When you go here, bill wise, no, keep that as no. 15,000. Oh, the previous one was by check. Nobody informed me. I gave cash. Nobody, I think nobody's watching also what I'm doing. Previous was check. We will do that later. You can just alter them. If it is written check, then it must be taken as bank.
Ma'am, for maintained balances bill by bill, should we change it to no?
No, yes.
Thank you.
Change it to no.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, I'm getting a negative balance from the rent entry.
Why?
I
You
don't know, ma'am.
paid rent.
Actually, my mic was not working. I've messaged also, ma'am.
Sorry. But you did the same entry what I did? Because you are
Yes,
paying the rent.
yes, ma'am. That is the reason I messaged, ma'am, because I couldn't understand where did I go wrong.
Take a photo and send it. Because it
Yes,
shouldn't happen. I'll see you. Just take a photo and send.
yes, ma'am. I'll just.
Mm.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
is there
Tell
any
me.
shortcut key to get back to the previous receipt numbers, ma'am? Like you're in receipt number 3, no, ma'am?
Hmm.
So to go back to 2 or 1?
Yes, there is. I'll come to that further once
Yeah.
we are done. Do with all of them. Did you send me, Isha?
Ma'am,
Go to
actually, I'm getting the same date in everything, ma'am. When I change the date for the rent.
after you do F2, change the date. Even after
Yes,
the
ma'am.
same.
After that, my screen gets stuck, ma'am.
Close it and open it again. Close your Tally
Okay.
software and open.
Yes, ma'am.
Sometimes if you use mouse, only mouse, you might have the problem of the software might get stuck.
Okay.
Everyone open your daybook. Do Alt plus F2. So if you don't know or you want that till the current period, that is all your data as you want, then you just have to press backspace so it gets deleted whatever was written and press enter. This is the only thing which we did. It is first, second. Okay, that was from first. 1 4 and I will enter. So all even May till the recent whatever we had, you will get it. See if it tallies with mine. You want me to give you 2 minutes to finish this and then go to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, I can give you the second scenario. Is that something you can do it by yourself? Everybody are able to differentiate the vouchers from one to other, like which voucher, what type of question must be there? Yes. So I'll give you another scenario. Take down scenario 2. Mr. Sunil Company. Am I audible to all?
Can you repeat, ma'am?
Mr. Kunal is done. No, Mr. Ravi and Co. First one, started business with rupees 25 lakhs in cash.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, we haven't done the last two entries, no, ma'am.
Which
Salary
one?
paid in the Mr. Kunal sum.
Oh, okay. That was the extra questions I told, so I jumped. What is the question? Please tell me.
Mr. Kunal withdrew 30,000 from HDFC Bank.
Okay, 30,000 HDFC Bank. Sorry, cash.
Ma'am, your screen is not
Cash.
visible.
Oh, one. Now it's visible. Is my screen
Yes, ma'am.
visible?
Yes.
Yeah. HDFC cash 30,000. Being cash withdrawn. Yes, next one. Salary paid. How much?
20,000.
No. Cash. This is clear. Now my daybook and your daybook tallies. Yes. Okay. Now I'll give the next scenario. Mr. Ravi and Co. First one started business with 25 lakhs in cash, comma 20,000 worth furniture and a building worth 15 lakhs. 20,000 worth furniture, building worth 15 lakhs. Second question. Purchase goods from Infotech, paid rupees 10,000 in cash. Are you following? Am I fast? Purchase goods from Infotech, 10,000 in cash. Third one. Sold goods to Radha Electricals. Sold goods to Radha Electricals, rupees 12,000 in cash. Purchase goods from Firstcom rupees 50,000.
Ma'am, please can you repeat, ma'am? Purchase goods from?
Firstcom.
Thank you, ma'am.
Purchase goods from Firstcom worth 50,000 by check. Sold goods to Prakash worth 7,000. Purchased machinery of 1 lakh in cash. Opened bank account in SBI and deposited 50,000. Took purchase goods from Infotech 10,000 rupees. Received 15,000 towards interest. Withdraw 20,000 from the bank. Paid salary rupees 4,000 by check and wages rupees 2,000 in cash. Next. Received commission rupees 3,000. I repeat. Received commission worth received commission worth 3,000. Paid electricity charges. Paid electricity charges, comma, water charges, comma, telephone charges of 15,000. I repeat, paid electricity charges, comma, water charges, comma, telephone charges of 15,000, comma, 4,000, comma, 10,000 respectively. How many questions?
13.
13. I'll give you two more. Purchased goods from first com of rupees 25,000, of which 10,000 paid by SBI Bank, of which 10,000 paid to SBI Bank, rest 10% paid by HDFC Bank, remaining by cash.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Correct me if I'm wrong, the people who has written. It's purchased goods from first com 25,000, 10,000 by HDFC Bank,
SBI.
SBI, okay, and from SBI Bank, rest 10% from HDFC Bank, remaining by cash. Yes. One more to finish 15. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Deposited 30,000 in HDFC Bank. Deposit of 30,000 in HDFC Bank. Can anyone tell me the calculation of the 14th question? How is that you calculate, anyone? Okay, I'll give you time. We'll discuss on Monday then. Okay, your next class will be on Monday. Okay, and the complete assignment, this assignment, as well as the yesterday's assignment. See, even this one, you create one more company in the name of Ravi and Co, and you create all these as Kunal. I also want, see, please attach all the screenshots in one